Introducing ASC's new Magic Box flow measurement system, a short video featuring Dr. Kevin Linfield. Airflow Sciences has developed and released a new field testing product, the Magic Box. This equipment is a highly accurate flow measurement system that is lightweight and portable. With an industrial programmable logic controller, touchscreen user interface, and a 3-button remote control, the Magic Box system provides step-by-step test protocol for 3D, 2D, or standard velocity traverses with pitot-style probes. The Magic Box supports standard or non-nulling 3D testing. This equipment is designed for a variety of field tests, including stack and rata, fan performance, mill inlet duct, secondary air ducts, gas turbines, and any general ductwork system where pressure, velocity, and temperature measurements are required. It is fully compliant with EPA methods 2, 2F, and 2G. Options and accessories include a variety of velocity measurement probes with or without integrated thermocouples, atmospheric pressure transducer, cold weather operation, heavy-duty 3D probe tube bundles, integrated probe purging, inclinometer, probe leak check kit, and yaw angle laser pointer. The Magic Box weighs less than 15 pounds and features an operating temperature range from 0 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. It is housed in a heavy-duty polypropylene case with an O-ring sealed latch cover. For more information on field testing hardware, please contact Airflow Sciences. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.